Okay, let's talk about how to win with AI without losing the human touch. Yes, AI can save time, spark ideas, and of course, surface insights. But what it can't do is it can't replicate the human touch, creativity, intuition, or empathy. And so, as AI reshapes work, your success will greatly depend on knowing when to lean on technology and, of course, when to lean into your humanity. Hi, I'm Nicole Palmer, entrepreneur, strategist, and coach who helps leaders and organizations elevate their brand, manage operations, and grow their impact. In my business, I use AI to automate repetitive tasks and accelerate research intensive work. But what I do is I protect the human elements for better delivery, better decisions, and of course, better outcomes, right? And so while AI can move fast, it can process information. What it can't do, it can't understand your nuances, the things that matter to you, your clients, your values, your preferences, right? And so that level of insight only comes from relationship, context, and of course, care. And that's where human expertise wins, right? So the totality of your thoughts, emotions, and inner life, your thinking shapes your decisions become habits, and of course, your habits create impact in the world, right? And so in that way, AI becomes kind of like a exoskeleton, right, of your human mind, right? It helps you to think faster and, of course, execute smarter, but only when guided by empathy, emotional intelligence, and, of course, authenticity, right? And so if we try to compete with AI on speed, volume, or knowledge, we'll definitely lose because AI will always be faster and more consistent. Our advantage, human awareness, wisdom, and of course, compassion, right? So our role is to provide context, while AI's role is to provide content, right? That means you have to be an expert not only in the product or the service that you provide, but in your people or in the people that you're serving, right? And that starts with asking the right strategic questions, understanding what your clients like, what they don't, and what actually matters to them. And so here at Nicole Williams Collective, our service extends through three phases. What we call the before, where we quote, research, and design with, of course, intention. And then we have what we call the during, where we deliver with care and precision. And then there is the after, where we follow up, we learn what worked, what didn't, and of course, what's next, right? And so that level of care, that level of continuity, and of course, leadership, you will never get from AI alone. And that's how we win, by staying human, strategic, and of course, deeply intentional.